Welcome to CyberHiveMind, where cybersecurity meets everyday life. In this episode, we're delving deep into the world of passwords and offering you a masterclass in password management. Hi, I'm Josh, and today we're going to unravel the mysteries of passwords and reveal the secrets to keeping your digital life secure. It all starts with that little combination of characters, the password. In an era where we juggle countless online accounts, your password is your digital key to a world full of sensitive information. But let's be honest, remembering passwords can be a real headache. So here's our first tip, the art of password creation. Craft strong, unique passwords that are easy to remember but hard to guess. Avoid common words or phrases and consider using a passphrase, a sequence of random words, or a sentence. Next, let's talk about managing your passwords in the digital age. Embrace password managers. These nifty tools can generate and securely store complex passwords for all your accounts. No more scribbling passwords on sticky notes. Let's look at 3 popular password managers and how they work. LastPass. LastPass is known for its user-friendly interface and strong security features. It stores your passwords in an encrypted vault, and you only need to remember one master password to access them. Dashlane. Dashlane offers a sleek and intuitive design. It not only manages your passwords, but also monitors the dark web for potential breaches, providing an added layer of security. Bitwarden. Bitwarden is a robust choice for both individuals and businesses. It allows secure sharing of passwords among team members and provides a comprehensive audit trail. Now, remember the days when you'd shred sensitive paper documents? Well, the digital world has its equivalent. Digital spring cleaning. Regularly review and revoke access to apps and websites you no longer use. It's like shredding digital clutter. And speaking of added security, two-factor authentication, 2FA. Whenever possible, enable 2FA for your accounts. It's that extra layer of security that can make all the difference. But wait, there's more. Another emerging technology that's worth exploring is passkeys. Passkeys, the future of authentication. Passkeys are a new way to authenticate yourself without traditional passwords. These are unique to each user and device and can provide an extra layer of security. In today's digital age, passwords and passkeys are the keys to our digital kingdoms. By mastering the art of password management and staying updated on the latest authentication methods, you're taking control of your online security. Remember, we're in this together, and here at CyberHiveMind, we've got your back. So let's embark on this journey together. Thank you for joining us today, and always remember that when it comes to cybersecurity, your actions can make all the difference.